Growth leads to complexity. How can you harvest the reams of data from unstructured to transactional to personal, across networks, devices, and people? Ricoh helps you by radically simplifying, streamlining workflows so you gain visibility into the information that matters, with end-to-end solutions covering the full spectrum of industries to increase productivity, improve customer relationships, keep information safe, and drive innovation so you can focus on forward. Let's move forward together.